Howdy YouTubers, howdy folks. Well, today I got my update car collection. This one's staying in the box, unfortunately, but it is a... I need to turn on the light here. I can't see, guys. Volvo. New for 2023. That was last year. Here we go. Here's all the rest. The Corvette. The Mustang. Got another Mustang. These two are Mustangs. This one's a Corvette. This one is the Nissan. We're got a Nissan right here. And then that's the Volvo that's in the box. This is my update, first update of the year, and then when I get more toys, I'm gonna update. That'll probably be in March. More toys, and then I'll update guys. Thank you very much for watching, and peace.